Welcome to our competency-based question series designed chapter-wise to enhance your conceptual learning and understanding. Question 6. A square loop of a single turn is placed with its plane perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field. The magnetic flux through the square loop is 0.002 Weber. The square loop is now reshaped into a circular loop. What is the flux in Weber through the circular loop? So we are having a square loop of side L. The area of square loop, that I'm calling it as A, it is equal to L square. And since it is placed such that the plane is perpendicular to the magnetic field, the area vector is making angle 0 degree with magnetic field. So now the flux linked with square loop, that will be phi m is equal to b times a, because cos 0 is 1. And we have obtained the area for the square loop is L square. So it will be phi m is equal to b into L square. This is my equation number 1. Now I know this thing, that the perimeter of this square, it will be 4L. So perimeter of square is equal to 4L, and this has to be equal to the circumference of the circle of radius r that has been drawn from this square loop. So that has to be equal to 2 pi r. So from this I can calculate that the radius of the circular loop will be equal to 4L upon 2 pi, and when I solve it out, it will be 2L upon pi. So I'll be using it to calculate the area of this circular loop. Now flux linked with circular loop, and it will be phi m dash, that will be equal to the magnetic field times the area of the circular loop, and I am calling it as a dash. So that will be equal to b times pi r square, where r is the radius of the circular loop, and the value of r we have obtained as 2L upon pi. Squaring it, it will become 4L square upon pi square. So that will be b times pi 4L square divided by pi square. So this pi will cancel out with this pi, and we are left with this implies that phi m dash, it will be equal to b times 4L square divided by pi. Now we have to find out the value of this phi m dash in terms of the value that has been given to us. So let's compare these two. Just divide these two equations. So dividing equation 1 by 2. So what I can write, phi m divided by phi m dash, it will become bl square divided by 4 times bl square divided by pi, and this pi will go in the numerator. So L square gets cancelled out with this L square, B gets cancelled out with this B, and I am left with phi m dash will be equal to, on cross multiplying, 4 times phi m divided by, and the value of phi m, the flux linked with the square loop, it is given to us as 0.002 Weber. So we can write 4 multiplied by 0.002 divided by 9. So that will be equal to 0.008 divided by pi. So this will be the value of phi m dash, that is the flux linked with the circular loop. So option C is correct. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep excelling.